Yeah, I'm inside of Vons, and this is my first time here. I didn't know what type of store it was, but they seem to have plants here. Have a golden pothos for $18.99. Scindapsus pictus, heartleaf philodendron, golden pothos. These succulent arrangements are like $25. Such pretty orchids. They also have a little hanging plant collection. Some Brazils. Some golden pothos. It looks very jadish, but it's not. Green leaf philodendron. There's some type of Congo philodendron over there. Birkins. I think that's the a Fittonia plant. Some snake plants. They have a lot of plants. It's pretty. I found some little succulents and cacti here. Altman plants. This one's 15%.
Yo.